Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada video ini, saya akan mempresentasikan summary table. Di antaranya ada introduction, method, and result. Yang pertama akan saya paparkan adalah introduction, yaitu bagian A, authors, and years. Maskas Pananis et al. And 2020. Bagian B, current situation. The publishing research in this area is extensive, particularly for tall weight and surface rightness monitoring application and the applying methodologies may depend on application and then manufacturing process and material. Among other factors such as context, tolerances, and process variability. Risebon et al. developed neural networks to predict surface roughness and dimensional definition using force and vibrating data in cylindrical turning. Covet et al. Bagian C ada niche, yaitu manufacturing process usually include various types such as heat, trimming, finishing, and tempering, a series of metal removing operation, and inspection to product iPad. Bagian D ada Salutin data drive application for manufacturing process monitoring and control can provide real-time insight into process performance and that part quality can be improved by adjusting certain process parameters such as spindle type of cut and machining operation. Kemudian ada RQ purpose, yaitu the purpose of this paper is to develop a monitoring system that learns from multi-stage manufacturing data and predict the dimensional metrology characteristic of the part being production. Bagian kedua yang akan saya paparkan yaitu adalah metode, di mana ada design. The methodology is validating using experimental data with aim to illustration the ability of the proposed methodology to generalize across the different geometric parameters of the workpiece, including diameter, through position, two-dimensional, and quality two-dimensional. The true position tolerance provides how far the location of a vector can deviate from its true position. Asing a two-dimensional or three-dimensional tolerances share dimensional metrology characteristics such as quality are important for tolerance applying to individually vector. A from tolerance is used to control the permissible variance of a vector from a perfect geometric element. Kemudian masih bagian metode yaitu instrumen, task, and test. A major advantage of the proposed methodology is the ability to reduce the volume of non-value adding operational such as inspection. Another advantage of the proposed methodology is the possibility to stop the manufacturing process at a content step before performing additional operation when the product conforms to specification is not achievable. Kemudian ada analisis, itu that proposed methodology also allow one to revise the manufacturing strategy and adjust certain process parameters for rework before removing the workpiece from the main, as in the case of process inspection. Yang terakhir ada result, itu tabel 1 provide the PCA result, including the percent variability explained by the fits for principal component during training. The training reconstruction road meet squad error. Considering the fit for specific component, and then testing reconstruction RMSE. Tabel 2 to 4 show the RMSE result obtained from the linear regressional and neural network modelis. Kemudian di bagian terakhir ada reflection. The paper has been concurrent with the development and application of machine learning algorithm for modeling the geometry, variability of manufactured parts, given multi-stage manufacturing data including material conditions and process monitoring data such as temperature, and tool vibration. The proposed methodology can minimize non-valuing operations such as inspection and allow one to stop the manufacturing process when conformation to a tolerances is not achievable with the current process setting and condition. Sekian pemaparan saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.